hell up. What's going on out here? Farmer's probably gone mad. Hello again, you horrible lot. Welcome back. You join me on the Versys out in lovely Pendine on the coast. Now the weather's cleared up a little bit. I basically just want to go and have a little play down on that trail that I did in a few videos ago, because it goes on a little bit further than what I went last time. So I'm just going to go and have a little nosy. It's going to be a bit wet and maybe a little bit muddy, but it's not the end of the world, I suppose. Oh, hello. As if I can even get through. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, diversion. Oh, it's hella windy up here today. Talk amongst yourselves for a minute. There's going to be a little bit of road before it gets to the trail. Ooh, it's a bit tighter than I remember. Hey. I always forget about this little stretch of road between Cornwall and Pendine. It's quite a nice little couple of S-bends on it. And this should bring us out on the other side. Right. Now, I cannot remember. Pretty sure it's that one, isn't it? And you go down. Yes! Yep, this is the one. Wonder if there's going to be any tourists down here. Might be a few dog walkers, I expect. Let's try and find the nicest little path across. Oh, it's not too bad up here actually. Oh my god, this bit isn't great. Ideally don't want to go home with any punctures, and I am on road tyres. Puddle! Is this the one with the big dip? Oh, it is as well. No. Oh my god. Oh, I fucked that right up. Oh no. That's not gone well, is it? Maybe not. In a course push. Strong. Whew. Alright, why are we not starting now then? Oh dear. Oh dear. Any damage was just dirt. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Just a bit dirt. Let's turn her off and on. Ah, she's alright, she lives. We're all unscathed. Yep, straight enough. Yeah. I suppose it was always going to be a recipe for disaster. She's alright. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath from that. Whew! Ay caramba! Well, it's not my first tumble on the bike, so we're alright. We're okay, guys, don't panic. It's all a good bit of fun. That was a combination of heavy bike, road tyres, very small little path. I should have just gone down that fucking big bit, shouldn't I? And not pussied out. Oh yeah! I love this place, this is my favourite place. Levant Mines. Well, actually, this is Patalic, isn't it? Ooh. Right, up this. GoPro's not going to do this justice, but this is quite steep. Ooh. Oh. Now, apparently, there is a trail, and you can see them walking over there. Now, this goes all the way across. Shall I attempt said track? Ooh. Bit of air time. I'm pretty sure it's that way. It's a bit of a test to see if I can do all this sort of shit on this bike. First gear, let her cruise. Oh, she's having some hammering. It's so sketchy on road tyres. Mud. This is not going to go well, is it? Oh my god. Look at us go. It's another little minelet. I haven't been out here for bloody ages. Splash. It's a bit of a workout, actually. Splash. It's relatively quite easy. I thought it was worse than this, judging from some videos I've watched. That's coming from the bloke who just dropped his bike on a little path, but you know, there we go. I'm pretty sure you can go all the way out and down that way, but I won't be doing that today. I'm going to go down to the bottom here, and I think this is the road that you can go out of. That's quite fun, I enjoyed that. I think this is the way out. I don't actually know. Let's have a look on the old Google. Oh, very good, it comes out at the top. Splash! Oh my god, is this even the way out? Must be. Oh my god, look at the state of this. Oh! Yeah, boy, we've found road. Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go. Check her over in a minute after my droppage. No way, so this comes out by the St. Just Rugby Club. Ooh, well, now I know. That is very good. how enjoyable, other than my little off. Well, I'm going to mosey on off now. If you've enjoyed me pissing around on this once again, or at my discomfort of falling off, give it a thumbs up. If my channel interests you and you know you want to stick around, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, that would be amazing. And hopefully I'm going to see you all in the next one. Ciao for now.